Hey everyone, welcome back to Sha The IT Guy. Today, we're diving into the latest updates and releases for Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. If you're a fan of Samsung, you're in for a treat. Galaxy S25 series devices. Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy S25 series at their Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event. This new lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, and they're packed with some amazing features. Let's break down what's new and exciting about these devices. Galaxy S25 device. First off, let's talk about the new AI capabilities. Samsung has introduced Gemini, a powerful mobile assistant that provides contextual help based on what's on your screen. With Gemini, you can ask for directions, set reminders, and even draft messages with just a single prompt. Gemini can recognize the context of your conversations and suggest actions, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. Gemini features. Imagine you're texting a friend about meeting up for dinner. Gemini can instantly pull up nearby restaurant recommendations, check their ratings, and even make reservations for you. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Screen with Now bar. Another exciting feature is the Now bar on the lock screen. This bar brings relevant updates right to your lock screen, such as sports scores, weather updates, and directions to your next meeting. It's fully customizable, so you can choose what information you want to see. No more unlocking your phone multiple times just to stay updated. Now bar in action. The Galaxy S25 series also comes with the latest Android 15-based One UI 7. This update brings a more polished and intuitive interface, better multitasking capabilities, and enhanced battery management. The new interface is designed to be more user-centric, making it easier to access the features you use the most. One UI 7 interface. One of the standout features of One UI 7 is the improved multitasking capabilities. You can now run multiple apps simultaneously in split-screen mode, making it perfect for productivity on the go. Camera. Samsung has also taken their camera technology to the next level with the next-gen ProVisual Engine. This new engine offers superior camera range and control, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any lighting condition. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking great pics, you'll appreciate the new camera features. Photos taken with the ProVisual Engine. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, in particular, boasts a 200MP main camera sensor, offering unparalleled detail and clarity in your photos. The improved night mode ensures that your low-light shots are brighter and more detailed than ever before. S25 Ultra. The S25 Ultra also features a periscope lens with 10x optical zoom and up to 100x space zoom, allowing you to capture incredible close-up shots from a distance. Additionally, the Ultra model comes with advanced video recording capabilities, supporting 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. Security update notification. And let's not forget about the security updates. Samsung is committed to keeping your devices safe and secure. The Galaxy S25 series will receive monthly security updates for at least the first 4 years, ensuring your device stays protected against the latest threats. Biometric authentication features. In addition to software updates, the Galaxy S25 series also features enhanced biometric authentication, including facial recognition and an improved in-display fingerprint sensor. Your personal data has never been safer. AR and VR. Samsung has also ventured into augmented and virtual reality with the Galaxy S25 series. The devices come equipped with ARCore support, allowing you to experience immersive AR and VR content. From gaming to virtual meetings, the possibilities are endless. So, what do you think about these new features and updates? Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 series, especially the S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.